Hi, today news is the family of a British couple imprisoned by the Taliban and Afghanistan have urged the group to release their parents before they die in custody. 76-year-old Barbie Reynolds and her 80-year-old husband Peter were arrested in February as they traveled from Karbog to their home in central Afghanistan where they lived for 18 years. Freya Chapel has more for us. It's been almost 6 months since year-old Peter and 76-year-old Barbie Reynolds were detained in Afghanistan, their home for almost 2 decades. The charge unclear apply from their family to release them before it's too late. My dad's health is deteriorating fast, in particular. Now he's got something that seems like maybe some kind of early Parkinson. He's got tremors and shakes down the right side of his body, his arms, his face. At one point, he was half and her so in some type of convulsions on the floor. She also has blue hands and feet intermittently with I think just to do with anima, malnutrition, and not just getting the right healthcare. Back in February, the couple traveled from Kabul to their home in Bamiyan province with their friend and US citizen for Hall. Upon arrival, they were detained and taken to a maximum security prison field since release that month. The Taliban said that they tried to release Peter and Barbie as soon as possible. Still, the family waits now calls from the UN for their immediate release and medical attention, fears that without it they die in prison. Then UN says it inhumane to keep them locked up in such degrading conditions and more worrying when their health is so fragile. Jonathan and his three siblings have not heard from their parents in 5 weeks, but recently foreign officials visited Peter and Barbie in prison. One of the officials and the sheriff was there able to visit my parents just last week, and we are really thankful for that. We were able to see a photograph, the sort of proof of life, but also it's painful to see British officials sitting having a cup of tea with my parents and not being able to just bring them home, like pick up them up, grab their hands and say let's go, you are British citizens, we were taking you home. That didn't happen. In a statement, the UK foreign office said we are supporting the family of two British nationals who are detained in Afghanistan. Two birthdays, a 55th wedding anniversary spent in detention, a family back home pleading for their release. Thank you.